Hi there, I have written 30 mindfulness captions and 30 images as well, which you can use on your Instagram profile. And if you're wondering what they look like, or if you're wondering about the quality of these captions and the images, let's check them out now. Let's see the captions. Each post comes with a carefully written caption, which will boost your authority as a coach and also be highly engaging to your followers as well. If you are interested in purchasing this, you can go to the links in my description box. Bye.